Welcome, today in front of me Nokia 1.4 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Here as can you see we got ring and notification volume, and just to mute your ringtone swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how you can do that. You just should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, here on the right side of your device. And then you'll see here the settings icon, just tap there. And by the same way, you can mute your ringtone by swap this blue dot to the left side. And then just tap to done to confirm the changes. So, that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.